Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a marketing short campaign or video for your company, agency, or whatever. So I'm going to show you how you can do that in Filmora 14. So the first thing you need to create a marketing short for maybe a video for your company or for a product or services that you offer is a script. A script is pretty much like the most important or the basic foundation of every video. So for a script, if you already basically want to create a marketing campaign for your company or services, you pretty much already have a script. So for me, I'm going to be using an AI to basically script my video. So I'm going to be using Bing Copilot. So I literally just write me a short marketing script for a real estate agency called Lakeside. I basically just made it up. So this is basically the script that I created using this AI tool, and I just took out the main body script into my notes, and this we basically going to turn this script into a voiceover. That's the first step we need to do. We need to turn our script to voiceover. So basically, if you want to create a voiceover, you can either voice it over by yourself, like I'm doing for this video, or you can hire a professional voiceover artist to voice over the script. Basically, that's going to cost you more, or you can do what I'm about to do, basically turning our script into AI voices. So we're going to use a tool called text to speech inside of Filmora 14, and I'm going to show you how you can do that first. So we're just going to head over to Filmora 14, and the first thing we need to do is basically just go to audio. Go to the audio tab, look at the text to speech right here, and click on start. So we're gonna paste in our text to speech, our script, and you can choose whatever language you're gonna use. So I'm gonna use US English, and you can scroll down through all the voices here. I already choose one that I want to use for this video, and we're gonna be using Ashton, and we're just gonna click on her.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
And make sure you have your AI credits. Currently I'm on the unlimited plan, so when you have sufficient AI credit, you just click on generate. So it's going to start processing our voiceover, and once it's done, I'm going to get back to you guys. So guys, our video is done processing, so let's just preview the audio.
Welcome to Lakeside Real Estate, where your dream home by the water awaits. At Lakeside, we specialize in finding you the perfect lakeside property. Our dedicated team of experts knows the area inside and out, ensuring you get the best deals and the finest homes. From cozy cottages to luxurious estates, our listings offer something for every lifestyle. Experience tranquility, beauty, and a sense of community like never before. Discover your lakeside paradise today. Visit lakesiderealestate.com and let's turn your waterfront dreams into reality with Lakeside Real Estate.
So pretty much that's the audio. So one thing we need to do, because we're creating a marketing short, so basically you want to be promoting it on platform like TikTok, Instagram, and the rest, or YouTube shorts. So we will need to change our project setting from 16:9 to 9:16. So just click on this monitor icon and click on change projects aspect ratio, and we're going to go from widescreen to portrait. I'm going to click on OK. So this is basically what our video is going to look like. It's going to look like this. So the next thing we need to do is add footage to our projects. So we're going to be using our stock media. So we're going to use the Filmora stock library. So this basically gives you premium footage or videos that you can use in your project for absolutely free. So what I'm going to do is just go to mine, because I already downloaded some clips that I want to use for this video. So I'm going to start with this. So we're just going to go with keep project settings. So the first thing you're going to look right now, because we're shooting a vertical video, not an horizontal video, we're going to be having something like this. So the first thing we need to do is basically make this vertical. So we're going to click on our video, the video we want to change the aspect ratio of. We're just going to click on it and click on this icon here and click on crop. So now we need to turn it from 16:9 to 9:16. So you can just move it and choose whatever path that you want to display on the screen. So we're just going to do that and click on apply. So this is basically how our clip going to look like. So let's just play to preview it.
Welcome to Lakeside Real Estate, where your dream home by the water awaits. At Lakeside, we specialize in finding you the perfect.
So first of all, this footage that I'm going to be using for this particular tutorial, I got it from library, like I said, and this particular videos, I think this company, okay, the videos that you get from the library are gotten from iStock, so you get premium videos that you can use in your project for free. And you can just type in from the search bar maybe house, and it's gonna bring out tons of clips that related to that search term. So the first thing I need to just do is just drag and drop the clips that I want to use, then I'll get back to you guys. So guys, I'm done adding the footage to the timeline. So the next step is basically gonna add in transitions to the native part in the video. So we're just gonna head over to the transition tab. So we're gonna add some transitions. I'm just gonna download them. So just gonna add that here and we can reduce it. So you can add any transitions you want to use in the video. So I'm just gonna add some and get back to you guys. So I'm done adding some transitions to our video. So the next part is basically you can add stickers or filters to it, but I'm not adding any filter. So let's just go to sticker. You can literally add any type of stickers you want. So I have some stickers that I downloaded. You can literally just add any of these stickers to spice things up. Okay, let's just add this to our video. You can just add this, and you can easily just preview how the stickers look like.
Visit Lakeside Real Estate.
So the next step is adding an audio track to our video.
Welcome to Lakeside Real Estate, where your dream home by the water awaits. At Lakeside, we specialize in finding you the perfect lakeside property. Our dedicated team of experts knows the area inside and out, ensuring you get the best deals and the finest homes. From cozy cottages to luxurious estates, our listings offer something for every lifestyle. Experience tranquility, beauty, and a sense of community like never before. Discover your lakeside paradise today. Visit lakesiderealestate.com and let's turn your waterfront dreams into reality with Lakeside Real Estate.
So pretty much guys, this is how you edit or create a marketing short video inside of Filmora 14. So if you really want to add another touch to this video, I recommend you adding a caption to your video. I would have added a caption to this video. It's just that the Filmora caption feature in Filmora is not really good or doesn't work right well, so I'm not able to do that. So I just made this video very simple, not too complicated, for those who just want to make a very simple marketing short for their company or for their service. So pretty much guys, that's pretty much how you create a marketing short inside of Filmora 14. If you found this video really helpful, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. If you don't have the Filmora 14 software on your computer, or you're not a Filmora user and you want to be a part of the Filmora family, check the link in the description and click the first link or any of the two links if you use a PC or Mac. And when you get to the website, click on the add coupon code and click on typing Godwin10 to get 10% off your purchase on the Filmora license. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next one.